Howdy, howdy. We got an interior to put together. Put those parts over here, those parts over there, in here. First thing we're going to do is put the armrest on. I'm going to use this little bit thicker of a glue. I may get off camera with this because these are very tiny. Easy with the glue. Very tiny. Without getting glue on the fingers. I believe we got it. That was pretty simple. Never had to glue armrest on before. They're usually molded in the sides. Let's do the other side. Very little glue. I see these guys on videos building models and they're very generous with the glue, yet they don't make a mess. Ooh, might have that one too. I believe we have it. Lined up. I think we got them. Yeah. I think I like gluing them in. They've got a little more detail to them. Alright, next. We got to glue the back of the seats together. Look like they fit pretty good. I went through with a nail file, emery board, whatever they call them, and I did the edges in both. Let's the glue adhere easier. Be a little generous here. I think that'll do it. Little slide ups. Come back here. Line back up. Here I'm blocking it. One of these days I'll get good with the camera. That went on there pretty good. Got to come back and paint the side silver. Doesn't say so in the instructions, but in that picture on the box, it is silver. So there is the driver's seat glued together. So set it like that so it stays. Maybe I'll get a little better on this next one. As far as keeping it on camera, nope, I'm already screwing up. Okay, oops, get over there. Let's do this seat first. They say where you got gaps, use this thicker glue instead of that green cap over there is thinner. I always used testers in the tube when I was a kid. You can still get it, but ain't nobody using it. I gotta say, so far I am impressed with this glue. Get over here on camera. And we gotta come back and paint this silver. Not on the inside though, just on the outside. Not over here. Really not happy with the fit. Monogram and Revell are the same company these days. About as good as that's going to get. And I gotta say, this Mustang's not real bad, but the quality could be better. Definitely in that Malibu over there. That one's going to be a task. Okay, next. See, we got a gear shifter over here. That does not go in yet because we got to paint that. This goes on the dashboard. This is the gauge cluster, so set that off to the side. We got a little trick over there with that stuff to use on that. Steering column, we got to paint this silver and the knob black. So we don't need that yet, but we do need the console, which is about to be painted too. So we don't have any gaps because the console goes right there in that little hole. Yeah. All right. So we'll use thinner cement for that. Okay, let's see if it'll stick. we should have used this glue. I can feel it moving around. Alright, come here. Let's put the thicker glue on it. There we go. Now we're getting some coverage. I got it where it was going to go, but it was moving around a lot. I have to line this hole up, so I have to be close. There. Oh, much better. Starting to see the differences in these glues. Alright, there's the console in the... Okay, I think the only thing left to do is glue the seats in, because the dash is being painted black. That's currently curing right now. That console's in there. Okay, but we got to do something before I put the seats in. I'll be back. Alright, what we got to do is do this black. Now, I've never used one of these paint pens, so let's see how it turns out. Not bad. Let's do this one a little different. I'm impressed. Not bad at all. Alright, let's let that dry. Okay, I had to do a little detail work off camera. It was close-up work, but you can see I chromed the center strip, did the black. I used these paint pens. This was black. This one was chrome. Did the pedals, did the door handles, the window cranks, but now we're going to glue the seat in. I even glued the shifter in, but now we're going to glue the seats in. And then this step is done because the dash has to paint, or has to dry yet. It's on its last coat. So there is that side. That's the passenger side. Let's get that in. Get into place. Hold that down. Starting to look like a car interior. So trying to do this one on camera. Let me glue the bottoms. That's the only thing touching the floor. Whoa, that's too much glue. Alright. Line them up. Ooh, that went in there perfectly. Oh yeah. Put it down for a bit. This step is pretty much done. So the next step, we'll put the dash in, and in that video we'll probably be starting body work, because that's the next step, I do believe. Here we go. Not going to move it around too much till the glue cures. Right. We have an almost finished interior. Next is the dash. See you in the next one. Later.